Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And yes, the second song from Dude is also out, and this song is called Singari. So we have the lyrical video for this, but there are obviously no translations. So yes, I will be at a loss in understanding the actual meaning of the song. But yeah, we have Sai Abhyankar, of course, as composer, and has he sung this song? So let me just. So who has sung this song? Oh, this is sung by Pradeep himself. Okay, great. Additional vocal done by Sai Abhyankar and Sai Smriti. So, all right. Lyrics by Sanjay Semvi, but I won't be able to understand the lyrics, obviously. And yeah, let's watch this song right away. It's a wedding song? Oh, third gear. Dude's third gear. Yeah, because it's. I told you na watching the trailer that marriage seems to be like the central.
மன்னாதி மன்னரெல்லாம் பின்னாடி வந்தாலுமே என்னாண்ட மாட்டிக்கு நான் தங்கா தங்கா காந்தாழி கண்ணுலதான் தலாடி உந்து பூட்டான் சூடான சூற போத ஏறி கிச்சா கிச்சா மெல்லமா என்ன நீயும் தள்ளுக்கா தள்ளி விட்டா தானனா தானனா மண்ணம்மா தேய்ச்சி விட்ட சந்தனமா ஏத்தி வச்ச குங்குமமா பார்த்தேனே கண்ணால கேட்டேனே உன்ன போல ஆக்கி வச்சு கெஞ்சனுமா தூக்கி வச்சு
That's what I want in a wedding song. Like this beat.
சிங்காரி என்ன கொஞ்சம் சிக்காம சிக்க எடுத்தா காதோட சுத்த வச்சா ரிங்கா ரிங்கா
ரிங்கா
மண்ணாதி மன்னர் எல்லாம் பின்னாடி வந்தாலுமே என் ஆண்ட மாட்டேக்கு நான் தங்கா தங்கா
everybody's pictures are shown. Understanding 0%, vibes 100%. I like this transition. Oh, this part is great actually. Great. I like that transition.
கொஞ்சம் சிக்காம சிக்க எடுத்தா காதோட சுத்த வச்சா ரிங்கா ரிங்கா மண்ணாதி மன்னர் எல்லாம் பின்னாடி வந்தாலுமே என் ஆண்ட மாட்டேக்கு நான் தங்கா தங்கா மண்ணமா தேய்ச்சி விட்ட சந்தனமா ஏத்தி வச்ச குங்குமமா பார்த்தேனே கண்ணால கேட்டேனே உன்ன போல ஆக்கி வச்சு கெஞ்சனுமா தூக்கி வச்சு கொஞ்சனுமா மனமா கேக்குறிய பேச்சு நல்லா இல்ல
ஜாலியா இருந்துச்சு.
Oh, this was fun. I likes. That was fun. I really like the song. This was nice. Very nice. Do you know what this reminded me of? I will tell you. Wait, let me stop this. This song actually reminded me of Kachi Sera. I don't know why, but this song had the flavor of Kachi Sera. It could be just me. It could be just me. But I got reminded of it. If you also thought it does have Kachi Sera feels to it, please comment down. But also another highlight of the song is Pradeep's voice. Pradeep's vocals were amazing in this. Loved it. He brought a really nice fun element to it. In fact, even if Sai would have sung the song, I would have loved it equally. But because he's also the actor, the main actor in this film, and he's singing the song, I'm guessing he will be part of, like, he would be singing, lip syncing the song in the film when we watch it. I mean, it's a different kind of vibe when the actor himself is the singer and we see the actor singing the song on screen. We know that it's his voice. So that's fun, always fun. And again, love this vibe because I know when we think of weddingy songs, we always think of really, really like high tempo, very energetic song, which is great. Don't get me wrong, I love that. But I have a special place in my heart for these mid-tempo wedding songs a lot. Like, they give off really cool energy. Like, they don't give off very high octane energy, but they give this kind of really dancey energy that you just flow with it. You just completely flow with it. That's why I said that, the first thing when I heard the beat, I was like, it totally reminds me of Kachi Sera for some reason. And that's a good thing. That's a good thing. Because I really love that song. And because this song reminded me of that, that's why I've ended up really vibing to the song as well. Because lyrics, like I said, understanding 0%, anda, but vibes 100% for sure. This was like, you can't help but move your body and just vibe with it. Such a beautiful, nice, peppy beat that Sai has made. And I don't know if the entire jukebox or the entire music has released for this, because I have not seen it in my recommendation. I'm sure it would have popped up here in my playlist or like in my YouTube homepage, but because the release is round the corner, usually they kind of release the jukebox and everything. But yeah, a lot of times they release it after the film also. So what's the hype like? I really want to know, guys, what is the hype for this particular film? Because Pradeep recently again did an interview with Anupama Chopra for The Hollywood Reporter. I have not watched it. I've seen bits and pieces, like clips of it in YouTube Shorts, but I've not watched the full interview yet. So I really want to understand from you guys, what's the hype like? Because I feel there is like really decent hype for this, like, especially after Dragon. There is a lot of expectation from Pradeep, and we are expecting like a good story and a good narrative from this particular movie as well. And if you have watched my trailer reaction for Dude, I said that these kind of roles, where Pradeep's character, like the guy is going through like this whole redemption arc, Pradeep really nails those kind of roles. We've seen him ace these roles, and casting wise, that's what I thought, that casting wise it was a great choice. So yes, both Aurum Blood and Singari are definitely, both songs are amazing. Aurum Blood, I think the reprise version is something that is taken over my playlist for sure. But if I compare both the original songs, like not the reprise version, Singari is definitely more my palette in terms of musicality and the kind of music that I mostly repeat and listen to on my playlist. So I thoroughly enjoyed the song. Please, but let me know what are your thoughts in the comments. And that was my reaction to Singari lyrical video. And good luck to the makers of Dude. I hope this film is again a success and we get a very nice entertaining watch. So yeah, that was my reaction. Those were my thoughts, and I'm gonna sign off now, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye.